Today is Tuesday, January 3rd. This is the 1967 one-year only Cadillac Kickdown Switch. This is the three-prong variant in 1967, unique and specific to the THM425 transmission that supports the high-performance kickdown function, unlike the two-prong variant used in the subsequent years. Okay, the three-prong variant is specific to 1967. So the unit has been fully restored, opened up, all of the broken parts swapped out, such as the square tang drive, as well as recalibration for the orientation. And I'm going to be connecting the unit under power, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on when the proper alignment orientation is obtained. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my duplex white wire and my single brown wire, which in this case is black but would be brown on the car. Okay. Go ahead and apply power with my alligator clip, and I'll switch hands, and we'll be looking for the orientation of the kickdown switch to allow the light bulb to come on, and there we go. So that's the first position, and I'll go ahead and apply power to the other ones. There we go, and reverse it, and the light bulb comes on. And go all the way forward, and the light bulb comes on. So that's the 1967 Cadillac Kickdown Switch, unique and specific to 1967. This will be going to my friend Wayne as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 through 1970, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, power door lock actuators, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as this fully restored kickdown switch. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd. Thank you very kindly.